Guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to download and install WhatsApp mobile app. So let's start. So first let's go to Play Store, and here on Play Store let's go to search bar, and then you have to write WhatsApp, and here on WhatsApp you will find apps, and just select the app that says here on WhatsApp. We have two different apps, WhatsApp Messenger and WhatsApp Business, so you can select one of them. And in the case that you prefer only talk to friends or something like that, you can select WhatsApp Messenger. And here you can open and continue working on it. So without any problem, you can do it. And then you install it. And when you install it, you can start using the app without any problem like this one. So that way you install your WhatsApp on your mobile phone. As you can see, now you can use it on your device. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumbs up to this video.